The notification for the all assemblies of Goa will take place on 11th January. The last day of nomination would be 18th January. The date of withdrawal, the scrutiny will take place on 19th of January. Last day of withdrawal would be 21st of January. The voting will take place on 4th of February and counting will take place on 11th of March. So this schedule has been announced by Honorable Election Commission of India, and with this announcement of schedule, the Model Code of Conduct has come into force. As we have been explaining to the media that Election Commission has issued an elaborate guidelines, and already all the departments of Government of Goa has been instructed to follow the guidelines with respect to different their areas of working. The first would be defacement of property. We have instructed all the landowning departments like PWD, Power, Forest, Municipality, Panchayat and everyone that as per direction of Commission, the defacement of government property has to be removed within 24 hours. Defacement of public property and misuse of public space, it has to be removed within 48 hours. Defacement of private property has to be removed within 72 hours. And Commission has issued a very clear guidelines that there would be no political ad even on the paid site on government lands or government PSUs like railways, like airport, even like electricity poles which are having the paid sites. But on these places there will be no any political ad. So this is the thing which would be our first task to perform, to monitor and to ensure compliance of directions of Election Commission of India. Second direction of Commission is there shall be a total ban on use of official vehicle by any political party, candidate or any other person connected with election, except officials performing any election related official duty for campaigning, electioneering or election related travel during elections, subject to certain exceptions. Already all the departments of government are aware that their vehicles should not be misused for campaigning, and only for official work it has to be used and work related to electioneering. There will be no advertisement in newspaper and other media or the misuse of official mass media during election period for partisan coverage of political news and publicity regarding achievements with a view to furthering the prospects of party in power. All these have to be ensured by all the HODs, by the Department of Information and Publicity, which is the official arm of the government. We have to take immediate action to stop any such advertisement in print or electronic media showing the achievement of government soon after the announcement of election. So we hope that by the time of voting, that is on 4th of February, all our Goan voters should be fully aware on using the VVPAT. There should not be any confusion over that.